Okay, what do you think? I think we should start a little bit early tonight. There's no reason to wait till 8:30 because we like to live on the edge. We don't need to wait till 8:30, do we? Not us. So, let's get this party on the road. Okay. So if you remember yesterday, if we were looking at our uh over here, um we had a situation where if we choose a one-arm push-up and then we choose like incline push-up, when we added our warm-up, it was not showing wall and incline push-ups as the two options, because you could warm up with incline push-up as well as wall push-up, right, if you want there. So that meant that that wasn't working as I intended it. You should be able to choose any of those below as a warm-up. And actually, you should be able to choose one, do a set, and then choose another one. So that's probably what I should break it up to, and then just have it duplicate across both of these, and you just select. They'll just be the same select. I'm not going to programmatically try to control that as much. But what I had to do, if you this is just the Majet diff here from Magit. What I had to do was essentially take the warm-up options array, for warm-up options I had to take an array from the event target, which would have been the progression exercises, and take a slice of that for the options I wanted. Then I made a new options array, and then I had to actually push the new options on there. What we were running into was when we were trying to do this replace children. If you looked in the documentation for the HTML collection, it says here that an HTML collection in the DOM is live. It's automatically updated when the underlying document is changed. For this reason, it's a good idea to make a copy using array from to iterate over. So, like, why is it like that? Like, no other kind of reference-based languages that I can think of that I programmed in a while give you a reference to something when you're intending to make a copy of it. So that's going to end up on YouTube. That's for sure. That's going on YouTube. Okay, so for tonight, what I want to do is let's test this again. Let's say we did one-arm push-up today. We did a one-arm push-up, incline push-up. We did wall push-ups of 25 reps, then 20. And then for incline push-up, we did, let's say we only got 17, right? So then that means we didn't do anything for set 2 and set 3. So we could set the defaults to 0. That'd be a good idea. But let's submit this and see what that returns for us here. File not found. Let's look at the network tab, and let's see if we can find our data payload. So here we have the date. We have the one-arm push-up being sent. We have which is the master exercise. We have the progression exercise with the incline push-up. The warm-up exercise, the wall push-up. Warm-up set 1's 25. Warm-up set 2's 20. Main set 1's 17, and main set 2 are null. I don't really like null, so I'm going to set all of those to default. I'm going to set those to a default value. Do we have a default value in input type number? Let's see. What is this? Oh, you have a plus? That'd be kind of cool. I might do that. Input. Let's see. Input type number. Do we have of a default in there? Is there a default value? You can set a default value for the input by including a number inside the value attribute. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Why am I printing? I don't want to print. What I want to do is go up to the exercises. Set 1 reps. We'll set the default to be 0. So we could just put that at the very end. So let's search for, that's not what we wanted. Let's search, that's not what we wanted. I want to search. Let's search for the closing Oh, I wanted the closing bracket, but that's fine. And then we'll set value equals to 0. Let's go back on that, and then we'll grab it here, and then we'll copy it, and then we'll kind of go back here and we'll add all those in where they need to be, like so. All right, so now if we go back to the workout homepage, the exercises now. Oh, did I break something? Oh yeah, one arm push up, wall push. Let's do half push up. We'll add a workout, and then everything's defaults to 0. That way, if you don't enter any reps, then by default you did 0. You did 0. You didn't do 0. If you didn't do any, then you did 0, because nothing is 0. I don't like really nulls. I think nulls are me and nulls we don't get along. I'm not a fan of nulls. Not a fan of nulls. Okay, so what I would like to do now is to say that these values in the thinking about extracting stuff out to kind of modules. Let's first let's split the screen. Oops. Let's split the screen. Where's split screen? Is it here? No. Control. No. Where is a split screen on this one here? Split screen, split window below. Oh, just the number 2. That's pretty cool. That's good enough for us to start here. And then we'll open up app.js here. So this is kind of the big changes we made. I kind of want to go through and do we have a fold? Fold HTML fold. No. HTML mode. Fold. It's all org. Web mode, folder, unfold. Okay. So I don't know if we have folding ability. Not really something I care too much about. What I want to do is look at, okay, so here's the show hide warm up. That's working. We do have the toggle here, so we don't need that anymore. Here's our 3 event listeners. So we could do a couple things. We could work on the back end so that we could start getting some things actually saved here. And then I could start refactoring out the logic into like kind of a module system is what I was thinking. Let's do that. So I was looking at something called Fast API Python. Let's see if there's a quick start and just getting this going. I'm learning Node right now in the remember I told you about the web development bootcamp on Udemy. So we do learn Node in that, but that's several sections on, and I know Python already pretty well right now. So let's look at this here. Is there a getting started learn tutorial first steps? Yeah, okay. Simplest fast API file could look like this. Import app.get. Copy that to a file. Main P. Run the live server. Unicorn. What is unicorn? Refers to main. Yeah, yep. Okay. Open API. What is... CGI stuff too, but I don't really know that too well. So let's hear the introductory task. You should consider this book a course on Fast API. Okay. Well, what's the next page? Where's the next page? Learn. Install. First up is install. Pip install. Optional dependencies and features. Okay, that's... Oops. Shell. Pip. Do I even have Python? Do scoop. Search. Python 3. We're searching for Python now. Not sure why scene switcher stopped working, but it did. So that's a thing. Okay, there's the main. The scene switcher, I'm not, it's don't switch. I don't really like the scene switcher right now. Kind of irritating me. Okay. There is the apps. It is just Python. Okay. Scoop, install Python. Let me increase the font of this. Oops. There we go. Updating scoop. Updating buckets. Updating main. Installing Python. How's everyone doing who's not here today? Running the installer script for Python. I like scoop. I should do a little short on scoop, shouldn't I? Okay. So let's see. Now we have pip minus v. Pip. Do I have to scoop install pip as well? PIP? Do I have to install scoop install PIP? Scoop search PIP. Pip tools, pip. Why isn't pip working? Python 3? Does that work? What? Why isn't the shell working now? Oh, I messed up the shell. Oh my god. Kill the shell. Yes, I understand it has. Try the show again. Python 3? No, it's supposed to. No, 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 no. I just installed it. We don't need to do all this mess. What? I don't. Let me try to kill that one more time. Quite sure what's happening. If anyone knows, feel free to tell me. E-shell. Okay. There we go. Now what's happening? Do I have a bunch of Python 3s just running in the background now? Yes, I do. Definitely have some Pythons. So maybe I can't do it within eShell for some reason. I thought you could. Good old trusty this. Okay. Yep. No. Python 3. There's Python 3. Okay. Do you have to install pip? Does pip come with a Python? Install Python modules. B and Vev. I forgot how to use that. Okay. Required environment directory. Okay. Creates virtual Python environments in one or more target directories. Positional arguments, environment directory, directory to create environment in options. Okay. Let's do... Workout tracker dash... API. Let's do... Let's do sort, or let's make a directory. Let's do dir handmade, Windows Classics, Bootstrap Dev, Olive Programming Book. Let's make dir be environments, virtual environments. Okay. Okay. And then we'll do here. Do we have a name though? -H. Copies, upgrade without pip, prompt, upgrade without pip, prompt. Let's make dir fast API. I'm just going off the boot of my pants here right now. Okay, I've actually never used this this thing here, so let's see what this does. Python. Okay, so now dir. Now we activate it. Yeah. So grips include lib grips. Oh my god. Grips. Why is this recursive there? Okay, activate that bat. Aha. So I could add that to the activation. Just do activate that bat, see what it does. Okay. Oh, so it does say fast API. Okay, cool. Oh. Pip install pip -H. Okay. All right, I think we got that port done. So we do pip install fast API all. Okay. Pip. Yeah. Install fast API all. All right, we're installing fast API. Upgrade pip. I'll do that later. I'm not doing it right now. Okay. Okay, this includes the advanced user guide. There was also an advanced user guide. Oh, the same concept. Appreciate read tutorial. Yep, tutorial. Let's go on. Why am I not seeing more pages? Oh, this is first steps. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I need to make file. We'll go back to virtual environments, fast API. Do I just run it from? I don't think I need to be in virtual environments. By the way, workout tracker. API. Let's call it, I don't know, main.py, because that's what they're saying. Make directory. Okay. From fast API import fast API app equals fast API. We have some decorations, app.get. So that is the main root. Define root. Okay. Why am I not? Oh, there we go. Return a message object. Yeah, message. Message with hello world. Okay. Okay, let's go back to here. Now, Unicorn main app. Okay. Unicorn, UV corn. Come on. Oh. Workout. Tracker. API. Main. App reload. App reload. Wait, what? Can't read this page. But that didn't work. What are you programming? I am programming a... Sorry, I just saw your message. I apologize. I am... When did you send the message? I hope I didn't miss it too late. I am programming a workout tracker. So this is kind of like what it looks like in its current iteration. Just a workout tracker for a combat conditioning workout program that I do. And I'm using Fast API. I've never used... I didn't mean to do that. I'm using Fast API. I haven't used that before. So I thought that I could just install the... Control C. I thought I could just install the app or install the virtual environment in... and then link to it, but that's not working. So what I'm going to do is install another virtual environment. And then I'll remove that one later. Or wait, can I... SAPI, yeah. BNV H. Oh man. Clear. Let me scripts here. CD scripts. They're here. I need to deactivate. There we go. Okay. And it's just virtual environment would just be kind of like removing it if that's what I wanted to do, right? Okay. CD API. Python 3 .m. Why couldn't I just run the API? Yeah, the API doesn't have to live. Okay, since I'm trying now, and I don't know really too much about the virtual environment stuff, I'm just going to make another one right here. So let's do, yeah, Python 3 minus M, B, and V. And we'll do it in this. And then we'll pip install all that stuff again. Oh, no, I need to activate it. CD scripts. Dir. Activate. There we go. Okay, so we're installing it again. Now I should just be able to serve it with that same command. I hope. Let's see if we could serve it now. We'll just get rid of all that. Yep. Main. Okay, and what was the serving it was there we go. Main app reload. Now it'll serve it. Okay, look at that. Now it's running. So now if I go here and I refresh the page, we have hello world. Oh, that's cool. Okay. That is a pretty fast API. So I could essentially just start adding methods, I'm assuming, to this. So I could add, let's see. I haven't even read the documents yet, but I've been a backend developer for quite a long time. So I'm just going to assume I could say something like define. I don't want it to be root. Would it be root? I don't know. I'm just following the same. But I want it to be, let's say, let's see, workouts. And then we'll return. This would be some workouts. And I think that it reloads auto magically, it looks like. No? Okay, yeah. So then I need to go to workouts. There we go. That's a pretty cool that is a fast API. I'm not gonna lie. What's the speed of it here? Let's see. Isn't it just J? Nope. How do you get to developer tools really quickly? Control Shift L, but I just want console, by the way. Not just developer tools, console. Thought there was a fast way to get to the console. Let's see network. So how fast is that loading? Oh, a millisecond. Oh, that's pretty good. Um, I do want to set it on a proxy on my program though. Okay, so let's read through this Fast API tutorial together then. So we did that. Okay, so the command unicorn refers to main, the file main, the Python's app is the object created inside of main with the line app. Okay, so that's your object that's serving everything in this kind of module, I guess. Reload makes the server restart after code changes, only used for development. Yep. In the output, there's a line of something like info running. Da, 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 da. Yep, that is the info. Let me put this down in the bottom here so we can see it here. Okay. The line, check it, open your browser, you will see interactive API documents. Now go there. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. You get documents too? No. What does it say? Where's the documents? Slash docs. Okay. Okay, so we'll go back here. Slash docs. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. Let's close the web tools for right now. Look at that. That's, oh, huh. Oh, I like that. So I could try it out. So it gives you API documentation right there. That's kind of, I mean, I don't know quite how all the magic is working there, and I've used similar things with OpenAA API. But that's pretty quickly doing it. That's a pretty cool Python package. Okay. You see the automatic in Swagger. Yep, that's Swagger. Now you can go to redoc. You will see the alternate automatic. Oh, so you can actually try it out. Let's do redoc then. Redoc. Okay. Nice. Very nice. By Redocly. I like that. Okay. I actually like that one a lot. Fast API generates schema with using OPI. Schema's definition description. Note that the code that implements it is just an abstract description. In this case, data, schema. Check the open API if you're curious about how the raw schema looks like. Generates a JSON schema with the descriptions of your API. Seriously, that's a lot of work. That would be a lot of work to do. The Open API schema is what powers the two interactive documentation systems included. There are dozens of alternatives all based. You could easily add any of your alternatives. You could use it and you generate code for your clients. For example, front-end, mobile. Recap. Import is a Python class that provides all the functionality. Create a fast API instance. Here the app variable instance of the class. This will be the main point of interaction to create all your API. This app is the same one referred by UVcorn in the command. If you create your app like from fast API import my awesome get root and put it in a file you will call UVcorn. Yeah, create a path. Path refers to the last part of the URL starting from the first. So in a URL like the path would be items foo. The path is also commonly called an endpoint or a route. When building API, the path is the main way to separate concerns and resources. Operation here refers to one of the HTTP methods. Okay. Define a path operation decorator. Path get eDecorator. Post put delete. Options. Define the path operation. This is your path operation. This is a Python function that will be called by fast whenever it receives a request. Using, in this case, it's an async. You could also define it as a normal function instead of async. If you don't know the difference, check the async in a hurry. You know what, I haven't done async in Python in quite a while, so I'll look at that. Return the content. You could return a dict list singular values as a string. You can also return pedantic models. There are many other objects that will be automatically converted to JSON, including ORMs. Try using your favorite ones. It's highly probable that they are already supported. Recap, import, create an app instance, write a path, operation decorator, write a path, operation function, run the development server, like UVcorn main app reload. Okay. So let's play around a little bit with this. Let us play. So, can I serve? Oh, I wish I could serve. Let me try something. I'm going to try to hook up my workouts page to that. So there's workouts. Okay, this is what it looks like. Home page. Do. Okay. Let's make that so that when you click that, it gives you the right workout. Okay, so... Let's do... do this. I thought I copied it. Let's see. Okay, and then we want workout. Workouts. Let's just say 1. So if I save this right now, it's not hooked up, so it's not going to work. Detail not found. Also, it automatically already goes there. This is going to be really cool. So workouts, I need to see, how do I put in an ID? Path, where's my path? Path parameters, there it is. Item, nice. Okay. We'll say it is declare with the same syntax used by Python format strings. Item ID as the argument. Value of the path parameter item ID will be passed to your function as the argument. So if you run this example and go to items foo, you will see a response of item ID foo. Okay. So that's just what you're calling it. So I could, yeah, I could say workout ID. Oh, I could just say ID, right? I mean, who cares? And then in root, I could say ID is of type int. That's nice. I like that. And I could say if I don't remember if Python has ID equals 1. Yeah. Return. Yay, you got this working. Alright. Yeah, okay, so we'll go here. Go back. We'll type, push this one. Yeah, you got this working. Okay, so now we can work on defining our I guess we could pickle for right now. Should I just pickle? Should I use pickle as a temporary Python database? That seems like a bad idea, but okay. So let's work on adding the workouts here. Go back down here. We can get our workouts, our exercises. So let's go here. We'll say class, is it capital class? I don't remember. Class. It's been a while since Python. I'm just gonna do it. We'll just do it class list now, and we can refactor it at a later time. So, what do I want to call these workouts? What kind of a dictionary? We want a dictionary. Workout options, or I guess we just do master exercises like we did before, right? And then they could get that from actually the thing. So master. Let me see. What's pip 8 or PEP 8 naming and stuff? Oh, where is it? Oops, it went away. My apologies. There we go. There it is. Naming. Oh my god, naming. There we go. Class names, variables. Oh, so it's underscore. Okay. So it's like what I was doing in JavaScript, which was not the JavaScript way. So, whoops. We'll call it then master exercises. All right, the list. And if we do that, we are allowed to spread stuff across. So that's always nice. Okay, we have one arm pull up. You know, we're gonna give it an ID. We give it an ID. So it's gonna be Think about doing a dictionary. See, that's why class would be good, because everything has... Let's do dictionary. Let's say... one arm pull up. One arm pull up has a dictionary, and it has progressions, and those progressions are a dictionary of IDs. Okay, so one is vertical pull-up, vertical pull-up. Two is horizontal push-up, pull-up. Three is jackknife. Pull up. Four is half pull up. Five is five is full pull up. Full pull up. Not there yet. I'm on horizontal pull up. If you're wondering what one I'm at, it's horizontal pull up. And then we have close pull up. Because these don't change, right? These can be hard coded. It is the app. It's for combat conditioning. Like whatever. Uneven pull up. 8 is one, two, one arm, pull up. 9 is, and after this I want to move on to something that I can spend more time on and actually do some design stuff. I want to get this out quickly because I want to start using it, because I need to use it. That's the bottom line there. One arm pull up. That's the master for this. One arm pull up. Okay. So if we just returned for the root, if we return master exercise, what would we get then? Matter of fact, let's just go to docs. Root, okay. HPD validation error. Oh, do we have an error? No, application. File frozen. Master's not. Wait a second. Did I do something wrong? There we go. Look at that. A warning of someone. A warning of someone in chat. What's the warning? I wish I could. I need to figure out on OBS how to get notified when. I'm so sorry, chat. I don't get notified. It doesn't like ping or something. What? I wish there was a way that it notified me if you hit chat on there, and I don't know how to do it. And we're only about 15 seconds off. But I guess, oh man. Unless I put chat right up on the side. Okay, so there's one arm pull up. There's the progressions. Doom. And what other object would make sense for the one arm pull up? Progressions. I could do, we could have it like key values. So where you have the I could do it where you have the like progressions, and then you could have the standards. So when you meet the standards, you can so we'd have just another entry in the dictionary under one arm, and it would be standards, and then it would be like, okay, for vertical pull up, your standards are 3 sets of 40, right? That's what it was. And then for all of the other ones, it will give you your standards for those. I could do that. We could probably wait to do that tomorrow. What I want to do is I want to move this towards the place where it is has all of the master exercises there. So let me just duplicate. What would I be duplicating here? This, yeah. So we'll copy all this like that. And then, is there duplicate region? Crux duplicate current line, Control CD. Yeah. So it's Control C, D, Control C, D, oops. Oh, so what I need to do is copy it first. Then I need to cut it. Okay, so I need to go here. I need to essentially cut it and paste it. Then I could just paste it each time, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Whoops. Okay. So where is my error now? Okay, so we have... Oh, I actually didn't want to do that yet. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, no. There we go. Okay. So what I want to do is actually add a rectangle here. Oops. No, I want to add a rectangle. Rectangle. String rectangle. There we go. There we go. Nope. String rectangle. There we go. Okay, now I can copy it. Any other chat? A warning of... Yeah, I'm not hearing you guys. Okay. Then... Boom. Home. Go Y. Boom. Go Y. Boom. Go Y. Boom. Go Y. Boom. Go Y. Okay. So... Progressions. One arm vertical pull up. So I need to go and get the ones for the knee tuck. The knee tuck is hanging leg raise. So let's grab these guys. Control C. Okay. We'll grab these guys. Do we want to, let's do, we'll just do down here and delete rectangle, rectangle delete, delete rectangle. What? That didn't delete the rectangle. What? I need to delete the rectangle. Let's try that again. Go down. Maybe I have to go forward. Okay. One more time. Back, back, back. Okay. Back, back, back. Select. Down. End. End. Select. Okay. Control X, R, D, delete rectangle. Okay, I just need to do it again. Control X, R, D. Oops. R. Control X, R, D. Control X, R, D. X, R, D. Why did it delete the rectangle? Delete the rectangle! Probably, and there's another way I could do it. Control D, Control D. That's one way to delete the rectangle. Okay, and then... Oh no. Oh no. Okay. No, no, no. Gonna figure this out, whether it kills me or not. Gotta figure this out. Copy and paste. There we go. Ha! Oh no. Why didn't it? That doesn't make no sense. I shouldn't have done that. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. String rectangle. Okay. Okay, now I just have to get this stuff out of here. What the hell was that? What in the heck was that? I need to get this stuff out of here. Okay. Oh, let's do... Now... That's... Go XRD. Okay. And then, can I put it back here? No. I lost it, essentially. Oh, man. We're gonna get this. We are gonna get this. Okay. What is that? Why is it doing that? I didn't ask it for no weird... This is some weird mode on here. That's... Why is that? There we go. Why is it? This has been just a horrible experience trying to get this to do what I want it to do. And I don't know why. But such is life when you're coding sometimes. It would help if I wasn't always pushing the wrong buttons, wouldn't it? It would. I have confidence that it would. Okay, so this isn't going too bad now that I've figured out how to freaking hit the right buttons that I'm trying to hit. Oh man. Okay. Progressions open. Bent leg raise. Oh. Can't forget the commas. Why are we still off on formatting though? Huh. And this is one arm push up. This one is not. This is hanging leg raise. Let's do hanging leg raise. Okay. Okay. So we would pick up here. So let's set it to do Keenan. Finish the loading of the master exercises. Okay, and then we'll do that tomorrow. I mean, I guess we could return it. Is it correct here? Is it gonna work? No, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. There's an error, right? Is there, I mean, do we have an error? What's this? Do we have an error, at least? No. Why can't I get the... Why isn't it working now? Oh. Okay, because these are all one and pull up afterwards. Okay, let me comment these out then. Let me comment these out. Okay. That's why. Okay. Now let's see what happens. The same thing. Why is it the same thing? Oh, because that's going to be incorrect. Because I don't need that. I don't need the comma on here. Yeah, I do actually. Hanging leg raise. Hanging leg raise. Where is the docs here? What's this? Schemas. One-arm pull-up progressions. What is the return type again? Let's go back to their first steps. Return type. Addict list singular values. Why isn't... Do we need to stop this? It crashed? It's not even... What? Why? Okay. There we go. So it didn't like that I was messing with the... So there we go. So there is our successful kind of call from a backend API, getting our one-arm pull-up progressions, our hanging leg raise, and the progressions. I will continue as I put a to-do list here with the rest of those. That should be pretty easy. And then after we do that, what we're going to be looking forward to tomorrow is actually hydrating the form from the back end instead of having it all hard copied like in here. Remember how we have them all kind of here? One arm push up, one arm pull up, hanging leg raise, and all that. Now we'll have values will be the numbers, and then the hanging leg raise, stand to stand bridge, all of that will be all of that would be the options. So we'll have to edit the code a little bit in order to do that. I think it's going to be fun though. I hope you join me tomorrow. Thank you for joining Keenan Can Do. Let's do a get check-in, and then we will be done for the day. Yeah. So do Magit. Okay, so untracked files. Yeah, so Magit status, right? Okay, we'll stage this. Stage this. And then we have our main pie. That looks good. So let's do a commit. Work on default values and add initial fast API. All right, committed that. Now let's push it. Origin master. There we go. And so now in our Git, we should see that we now have an API folder and we have our initial API. We're getting there. I think we'll also reorganize the folder structure here in a few days as well. Look, I have Python. I have Python in my application now. Okay. I hope you guys join me tomorrow. Have a great day. That's it for Keenan Can Do. Cheers all.